Here's an incredible buy on one of the nicest third row seat SUVs you'll ever see. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Today I'd like to show you this absolutely gorgeous 2025 Nissan Pathfinder SL. It's just like new and it's loaded with all the goodies. Around back, rear park assist sensors, ample cargo room, even with that third row seat folded up. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Black appearance package gives you the black emblems, Pathfinder and SL. Really nice 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of tires. 3 across seating in the second row. 3 more in the third row gives you a grand total of an amazing 8-passenger capability. Rear heating and air controls, rear USB ports. It's gun metallic with light gray interior. Absolutely beautiful. Factory roof rack with optional crossbars, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals. LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, forward collision sensor, front park assist, fog lights down below. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Leather bucket seats, dual power seats. WeatherTech mats throughout. Illuminated kick plates. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Blind spot monitor located in your rearview mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Power lift gate controls. Automatic headlights. Auto dimming high beam headlights. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel you've got audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Here's the best part. Only 8,500 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory navigation. Backup camera with that really cool, really trick 360-degree around view monitor. Push button start, heated seats, driver and passenger, dual zone climate control, even a heated steering wheel. 12-volt outlet, more USB ports, factory wireless inductive cell phone charging, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including power lift gate release, remote start, factory owner's manual, original window sticker, Carfax vehicle history report, and a universal garage door opener located in your auto dimming rearview mirror. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Pathfinder SL, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.